There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we are always doing something new. So in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe today. So we're gonna make plantain basket served with curry king prawns. People, I'm telling you, this menu gonna be delicious, mind-blowing. So we have 2 green plantain we're gonna use for the plantain to make the plantain basket. So this is all the season we're gonna use for the curry king prawns. Over here we have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. We have 1/4 tablespoon of curry. We have 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose season, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Over here we have 1/2 onion. We have 1 stalk of spring onion. We have 1/2 green bell pepper. We have 1/2 red bell pepper. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have already grated already. We have a piece of ginger already grated. We have some thyme we're going to use. 1/2 a lemon. So this is the king prawns we're going to use, people. There's 1 pack of king prawns. We already washed them and clean them already. So this is the pack of king prawns what we buy. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, plantain basket. So hi guys, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna peel the plantain. Just cut a line straight down at the side. And then we're just gonna peel off the skin. That's it, people. Peel off all the skin off of the plantain, because we ain't gonna use the skin part. Sometimes you're peeling the plantain, guys, and the plantain is very hard to peel. You can use a knife and peel it slightly if you don't want to hurt everything, because to peel a plantain, all these are techniques. Peel off the skin and use a knife and just pare off that part. Now, sometimes you're peeling, some plantain is very easy to peel, but some plantain is very difficult to get off the skin. Cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and then you just peel it straight on the side. Use the side of your big finger. Yes, I want to get off all of the skin off of the plantain. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, we're gonna make plantain basket served with curry king prawns. Thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family. Keep on support Selvin Kitchen, because Selvin Kitchen, we're always trying to do something new, because we have a lot more recipe coming out. My new subscriber, them who subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you very much to join the family. So this part here, people, is very difficult to come off. So just use a knife and just peel it off like that. So we don't want to use that part. So get that away. Peel off that part. So to make your plantain basket, I ain't gonna cut the plantain down like that. I ain't gonna slice the plantain. I'm just gonna use my knife to cut it like that, people. Put that to the side. Next one. So this is gonna use to make my plantain basket.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
So hi guys, so the plantain over here has been frying for the last 5 minutes, people. So I turned on the stove on a low temperature, a low heat, so I don't want it to burn it too quick, because that one I ain't gonna fry it totally. I'm just gonna off fry it and then I take it out and make the plantain basket. You're gonna see how I make it, people. So this now I'm gonna put in some oil in the pot. I want to do the curry. I want to burn off my curry a bit first. Put some oil in the pot. I don't want to use too much oil because I don't cook with too much oil, people. Too much oil is not good for you. So just gonna give them a stir, to spin them around a bit. So then I give them 2 minutes more. Then I'm gonna take them out and let them cool. This is green plantain, people, green plantain. So now I'm just gonna add in my curry powder. Mix on the curry powder a bit, want the curry powder to brown off. See that, people? Curry powder is burning off. So my curry powder has been burning off, so now I'm just gonna add in the rest of the seasoning. Give it a nice mix, people. A lot of people don't cook curry this way, but this is my way to cook curry. You can do it your way if you think it's better for you. That's my onion, my garlic, my ginger, my bell pepper. It's gonna add in the thyme. We're gonna add in the King Prawns. You got a stir, you want to mix up all of that curry in it. Yes, people. So now that's gonna add in the garlic powder and the onion powder and the all-purpose seasoning. Put on the lid on that before I put in the oyster sauce and the soya sauce. Give that around 2 minutes. Yes guys, so now we're just gonna take out the plantain. This is okay, the plantain is in there for the last 6 minutes. Just gonna take them out, let them cool. And that people, this is green plantain. I don't use the ripe plantain, so this is green plantain. We're gonna take them out now and let them cool. Yes people, this is the prawns been cooking for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the soya sauce and the oyster sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it, boiling water. I didn't put no salt in it as yet because the all-purpose season has a little bit of salt in it, and the soya sauce, and the half a teaspoon of brown sugar. And just put in some lime juice. Yes people, curry king prawns with plantain basket. I don't make the plantain basket as yet. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit like this in my hand to taste it. If you want a little bit more salt, I'm gonna add some salt in it. Just drop a little bit in your hand people, and then taste it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little touch of salt in it. Not too much salt, because why I put the salt in it at the last minute, because I don't want to add in the salt in it, then I add in the soya sauce and the oyster sauce, and then it's too salt. Put a little touch of salt in it. Give that a nice stir. That's it people, give that another 1 minute and that's ready to go. Look at that my people. Hi guys, so the curry king prawns is all finished. Look at that people. This is all finished now. So now I'm just gonna make the plantain basket people. Show you guys how I make it. So my curry king prawns is finished. So hi guys, so now I'm just gonna make the plantain basket. I get a lemon squeezer, a piece of cling film, I put in the middle of it. So to put a bit of cling film down in the middle of it, fold it on the bottom, like that. So this is the lemon squeezer I'm gonna use to make the plantain basket. So I had a piece of plantain in there like that, then you squeeze it down, squeeze it right down people, like that, then take it out like that, then you get it off like that. This is the plantain basket. Another one. Yes people, in Selvin kitchen we're always doing something new people. Let's get it off like that people. Plantain basket in Selvin kitchen. So you guys try this recipe and tell me what you guys think. If you squeeze it like that and it don't come out on it, you just tilt it over, pull out the file paper, the cling film, just take it off like that people. Be careful, it will break up. Add in another one. So you know that in Selvin kitchen where I was doing something new, so please share the video with your friends and family. Put it on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your YouTube, everything like that. Share with your friends at home. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This little guy named Selvin, and I was doing something new. Look at that people. Beautiful. Just take time, take it off like that. I don't add any salt to this as yet. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on it when I'm frying it. That's it people. Squeeze it off like that. That's beautiful. Hi guys, so I just make the plantain basket. Look at them people. I use the lemon squeezer to make the plantain basket. So you guys can try this recipe. Send me a comment and tell me guys what you think about this recipe. And please people, give me a thumbs up for this video. Because you know in Selvin, we're always doing something new. We are create some delicious, awesome recipe in Selvin kitchen. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, because I never put no salt on it when I was frying it before. Just sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, people. And you don't want it too much salt. Just sprinkle a little bit of salt all of it like that. And then now I'm gonna fry them over again. So in Selvin kitchen, people, we're always doing something new. So I'm just frying 3 at a time. Just turn it over. You don't want to keep this in there too long to fry, because you already fry already off fry. You don't want it too long to make it brown, too brown. Just give it around a minute.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Hi guys, so this is all finished, people. Look at that, people. This is my plantain, green plantain basket served with curry king prawns, people. This is an awesome, delicious recipe. So you guys can try this recipe, and if you try this recipe, please leave me a comment. Let me know how much people try the recipe and who tried the recipe, and tell me what is the result. If you enjoy this recipe, what I do today, because in Selvin kitchen, people, we're always doing something new. So please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share the video with your friends and family. Tell everybody about Selvin kitchen, to tell a friend to tell a friend, because in Selvin kitchen, we're always creating a new recipe every time we're watching Selvin kitchen video. So please share the video with your friends and family. Please give me a thumbs up. Selvin kitchen, delicious, awesome recipe, people. Plantain basket served with king prawns. So take care of you guys. So I will see you guys next time in Selvin kitchen. Take care of you people. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now.